Ugh.
What's going on, you guys? My name is Rich, and I am the Steel One. And today we are doing another snack box from Universal Yums. And today, and well, with Rachel. And today we're doing snacks from Greece.
I'm excited about this.
Yeah, let's do it. What's that? Alright. So, Greece. I'm gonna say this in every video. We are using a green screen, so some of the snack bags or containers may have green in it. You might see through it, or I may just not even show you. Oh, and so we start off with the savory and end with the sweets. So let's get started. So we're gonna start off with these. Look like potato chips. Waves, tomato, and paprika. Might be spicy, I don't know. Has a little pepper right there. Rachel doesn't like spicy. I don't like it either, but
usually paprika is not too bad. Yeah. I think they're good.
yeah.
Almost like barbecue chips.
Yeah. Kind of do taste like barbecue chips. Those are pretty good.
Yeah, I like them.
Real flavorful.
Good.
All right, next thing is bread chips. Garlic. Come in a fancy little bag.
And I've got cream cheese later. Have the rest of them.
They're small.
Are they? Oh yeah. Yeah, they taste like bagel chips.
Yeah,
They're good.
real garlicky. Garlic is really strong.
I like it. I'll be stinky.
I definitely think it would be better with, like you said, cream cheese or something on it.
Yeah. Yeah,
Is that-
they're good.
Garlic, I can only have so many of those.
Yeah.
Alright. Next thing, we'll do, I think that's it for the savory. So we'll go right into the sweets. Almond baklava.
Yeah.
So, and I don't know what that says.
I like baklava, but I've never had it this way.
There we go. Okay.
Honey.
So it's all messy and I got it all over me already just opening it.
Let me get a towel.
What the heck?
It's like a pastry. You want a fork?
I guess. I don't know. Whatever you think. I mean, it's all over the place. It's dripping everywhere. Now my hands are going to be all sticky. So far I'm not liking this as a snack. I mean, I like baklava, but I don't think this is a good idea. I don't know. I can't even. can't even, what am I supposed to do here? I don't understand. It's like, wow, it doesn't even taste that good, to be honest with you. Oh my gosh. Not a good idea. Seriously. Why? Oh, I just want a quick little snack, or you know, I'm a little hungry, just want a little snack to tie me over, right? Well, let's get some of this baklava. I'll make a big huge mess. Yeah. No, I don't even like it.
Like too much honey, I think.
My hands are all sticky. Ugh. Big fat no. Here. That doesn't help. Alright. Okay. Next thing, with my sticky hands.
No.
Serenata. Finger.
I don't know why it's funny, but
I don't either.
Serenata finger.
Milk chocolate wafer with cocoa cream. Mm. There we go.
That's so sweet, that baklava.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, this one's all
melty
and so far I'm not a big fan of the grease.
The sweet stuff anyway. The savory stuff was good. Alright. For a finger.
Makes you lick your fingers. It's okay.
I feel like I'm gonna like this, whatever it is. I've been watching it.
She's been watching it. She's been watching because it's doing a lot to be watched.
I had my eye on it, and I don't think it's gonna be good.
Alright, we got grape must.
I mean, that just sounds bad.
Soft cookie. Grape must. It just looks dry.
Must not.
That's what the must means. Must not. Must not eat.
Why is that a thing? Like, why does that exist? No. I hate it.
Me too. As soon as I put it in my mouth. You know, usually you have to choose something to decide whether you like it or not. It was like instant hate as soon as I stuck it in my mouth.
I'm gonna wash it down with some of these chips.
Alright. Well. Grease. Some of it. Okay.
Two savory things.
We like the two savory things. They were good. The chips were really good.
I think the baklava would have been good if it wasn't such a mess.
No, the little I taste was like that. So, yeah. So I guess it's a kind of like.
That grape thing.
That's bad. That's really bad.
Like why? Why would someone make that?
I don't know.
Why would they send it to us in this box?
instant hate.
Yeah, I hated it.
Anyway, you guys, that is it. We're gonna have more of these. So whether you like it or not, we like it because it's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it tastes good.
Sometimes it tastes good.
Not always.
Yeah. Was it the Egyptian one we did? That's probably the best one, I think.
Yeah, that sounds right.
If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you go check it out. Egypt was good. The best. Anyway, guess we'll see you in the next adventure, whatever that might be. I love you guys.